What kind of a ship is that? We're in the docks at Dieppe, just running along the dock road, and I see this ship. That is really, really strange. I'm not sure what it's for. E-ship it says. 4 big towers on it. Very strange. I always come this way nowadays into the car terminal. I don't take the really long roundabout route the signposts take you all around the town. I come this way for 2 reasons when I'm going to England, because I fill up at Auchan, and also I go to that restaurant that I've just passed on the left there when I arrive in the evenings. It is shut now, but it's always shut in the morning. But the other one's shut as well. It looks like they're on holiday. It's got blinds down, and there is a notice on the windscreen. Anyway, we're going round, working our way round the docks. It's always a little bit of a... I could never explain this route to anybody. I'm going over that bridge over there, that's where I'm making for, and then turn sharp left. I just sort of follow my nose. And the route becomes clear to me as it unfolds before my eyes, but as I say, there's no way I could explain it to anybody. Right, now we've got to turn right here and then turn left as soon as we're allowed, and which I think is just the other side of here. Yes, up this street here. This is a one-way street. This direction. Stop and turn here. Misted up windows and rained up mirrors, so manoeuvring is a little difficult. Turn left as soon as we get over this bridge, and follow our way round to the car terminal. Normally I get here in the evening and eat at that restaurant that we passed, but that's when I'm catching the 5:30 AM boat the next day. They're on summer schedules at the moment, and my boat doesn't go for another 3 hours or so. Get in the queue. The route the signposts take you and miles round. Miles and miles and miles round. Even if I wasn't dieseling up at Auchan, even if I wasn't going to the Routier, I would still come this way. It seems a bit more convoluted, but it does save a lot of time. Côte d'Albatra is the ship to the left, which is out of shot. I'm not sure if that's the one we're catching today. I would have thought that it... Oh, there's two ships there. No, there's one ship. The other one we're catching will be coming from Newhaven, and I wouldn't have thought that's arrived yet. Looks like the Côte d'Albatra might be on standby. They only have two ships, this company, Côte d'Albatra and the other one, name of which escapes me for the time being. There we are, there's the English Channel, La Manche. We get ourselves into a lane. Right, Newhaven, just leaving it. Boat came in on time. We were only the second vehicle off. Thank you for the dog. And swiftly through the passport control, no troubles at all there. Same woman in the kiosk who told me off for stopping short of her box last time, because my right hand window didn't work on that occasion, and I pulled up short to get out and walk round to her on the right hand side, and she remembered me, but she forgot why. She thought it would stop because of a speed bump or something. She says, oh, it's in the wrong place. Anyway, I gave little man a walk round. He didn't bother with a pee, but he did have a drink when he got back in the car. And the little tricheur, when I told him, come on in the car, he jumped straight into it. He's always made out he couldn't climb up that far. He bloody leapt in. I've been lifting him up and nearly giving myself a strain. Anyway, we're on our way. It's spotting with rain, and no doubt we shall see some more. It's now 10 to 4 English time, and we've got 267k to go to Stibbington Diner. So allowing 4 hours, and it shouldn't be that long unless we have traffic hold-ups, which we might of course going around London. That is, what is it, quarter to 4 at the moment. 4, that's quarter to 8. I've seen it variously listed as closing at 10 PM and open 24 hours. So either way, I should get there in time to get fed, park up, if at all possible, without paying a parking charge. I know they charge the lorries, whether they charge me or not's not the matter.